Alright, we're going to use the info given to write the equation of a circle with the center at 2, 8 and the radius is equal to 3. So before we start, let's focus on what we're given. So this piece of information is what we usually use. So the standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So remember, the center is going to be h and k, and then we have the radius, which we plug in right there. Alright, and so the way we would do this is just plug everything in as we see it. So this would be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 3 squared, or in other words, that would be 9. Okay? Okay, that's the first one. Let's try to do the second one again. Alright, we have a center at 5, negative 13, the radius is 11. So the first we'd write x minus 5 squared plus y, a double negative makes it a plus 13 squared equals 11 squared, 121. Alright, that's the first two. Let's try 4 more, just so you can keep seeing them. Now we have a center at negative 9, negative 7. We have a diameter of 34, so we can't use diameter. So half of 34 would be radius is equal to 17. So we have to use the radius when working with this. So this answer for this one would be x minus negative 9, which would be plus 9 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 17, which is, what is that going to be? 17 times 17, 289. Okay, let's do number 4. We have the center at negative 8, 0, and d is at 5. So the way this is going to work is x plus 8, double negative makes it a positive, squared, plus, it's a 0, so we don't have to write the plus or minus because 0 doesn't have a sign. So that would be y squared equals, we have a diameter of 5, so we have to make it a radius. So the radius would equal 2.5, and then 2.5 squared would be 6.25. So right here, center values, and that's our radius value. Alright, 2 more to finish this up. Alright, we have a center at 0, negative 16, and we have a radius that's square root of 15. So this one would be x squared, since it's 0, plus y plus 16 squared equals 15. The reason why it's 15 is that the square and the square root cancel. And the reason why that's positive is because a negative and a negative makes it a positive. Alright, last one, number 6. We have x minus 12 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 209. Alright, and that's just a quick explanation how to use the information given to write it in the standard circle equation.